This is a 2017 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, white over black leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, memory seating on the driver's side, Bose audio, electronic climate control, heated cooled seats, satellite radio, OnStar. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate, spray and bed liner. This vehicle is powered by a 6-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles, Autonation Ford St. Pete has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.